Next topic is division of rational numbers. You have already learned about the division of fractions. The same way we have to do with the rational numbers also. So, if you want to divide one rational number by another non-zero rational number, multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other rational number. To divide one rational number by another non-zero rational number, multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other rational number. So, you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the second rational number. First rational number you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the second rational number. Then what is meant by reciprocal of a rational number? So, the reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging in the position of the numerator and denominator. Similarly, in the case of rational numbers also, you will get the reciprocal of the given rational number by interchanging the position of the integers given in the numerator and denominator, or we can say that by inverting the rational number upside down. For example, rational number 3 by 4 is given. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? It will be 4 by 3. You have to change the positions of the integers given in the numerator and denominator. The integer in the numerator will go to the denominator and the integer which is in the denominator will go up. That means it will occupy the position of the numerator. Therefore, 3 by 4, the reciprocal is 4 by 3. Negative 5 by 6, it will be 6 by negative 5. And 6 by negative 5 we can write in the standard form as, make the denominator as positive. Therefore, we can write as negative 6 by 5. Then 7 by negative 8. 7 by negative 8, the reciprocal is negative 8 by 7. Negative 5 is given. So, what is the reciprocal of negative 5? Negative 5 we can write it in the rational form as negative 5 by 1. Negative 5 by 1. So, what is the reciprocal of negative 5 by 1? It is 1 by negative 5. And 1 by negative 5 we can write it in the standard form. So, make the denominator positive. We can write as negative 1 by 5. So, how to write it in the standard form? That means how to make the denominator as positive? You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1 and we will get the answer as negative 1 by 5. Now, look at the rational number 3 by 4. Then multiply 3 by 4 with its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? 4 by 3. Then 3 into 4, 12. Then 4 3s are also 12. 12 by 12 equal to 1. Similarly, the second rational number you take it, negative 5 by 6. And what is the reciprocal of negative 5 by 6? 6 by negative 5 and we made the denominator as positive. It is negative 6 by 5. So, into negative 6 by 5 equal to negative 5 into negative 6 we can write as a positive 30. 30 divided by 6 into 5 30, 30 by 30 and we will get it as a 1. Now, we can consider one more example. The last one we can consider negative 5. So, negative 5 and the reciprocal of negative 5 is 1 by negative 5. Suppose if you write 1 by negative 5 there as the reciprocal. Now, look at that, when you multiply it, negative 5 into 1, negative 5 divided by negative 5 and we will get it as a 1. So, what did you understand from this? When you multiply a rational number with its reciprocal, the product is always 1. So, the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is. Now, we can do some examples. Now, first one, 4 by 9 divided by negative 5 by 7 equal to, first rational number write as it is 4 by 9 into, multiply the first rational number with the reciprocal of the second rational number. What is the reciprocal? So, you have to find out the reciprocal of negative 5 by 7. So, which is equal to 4 by 9 into, what is the reciprocal of negative 5 by 7? It is a 7 by negative 5. Now, how to multiply two rational numbers? Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So, 4 into 7 by 9 into negative 5 equal to 4 sevens are 28. by negative 35. 28 by negative 35. Now, after getting the result, we have to write down the result in the standard form. So, first step, make the denominator positive. How to make it as positive? How to multiply both the numerator and denominator by negative 1. So, when you multiply both the numerator and denominator by negative 1, what you will get? So, it will be equal to negative 28 by 35. Now, look at that, whether it is already in the reduced form. So, 28 and 75 have the common factor 7. So, we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 7. Therefore, negative 4 by 5. So, the answer is negative 4 by 5. So, after getting the result, after getting the answer, so try to write down the answer in the standard form. Standard form means the denominator is positive and it should be always in the reduced form. Now, the second one, negative 5 divided by 7 by 8. So, which is equal to negative 5 into, you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the second rational number, that is reciprocal of 7 by 8. Therefore, negative 5 into, what is the reciprocal of 7 by 8? 8 by 7, which is equal to, multiply 8 with the negative 5, that is negative 5 into 8 by 7. So, negative 40 by 7. So, the answer is negative 40 by 7. Now, exercise 9.2, question number 4, find the value of. Now, second question, negative 3 by 5 divided by 2. So, which is equal to negative 3 by 5. First rational number you have to write as it is into, multiply with the reciprocal of the second one, that is a reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2. So, equal to negative 3 by 5 into, what is the reciprocal of 2? It is a 1 by 2. Therefore, negative 3 into 1 by 5 into 2 is equal to negative 3 into 1, negative 3, then 5 into 2, 10. So, the answer is negative 3 by 10. Now, next one, negative 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So, no need to write down all the time reciprocal of or multiply with the reciprocal of 3 by 4. If you can write down the step directly, you can write it there. Therefore, negative 1 by 8 into, what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? 4 by 3. So, we can write negative 1 by 8 into 4 by 3. Then again equal to negative 1 into 4 by 8 into 3. So, equal to negative 1 into 4, negative 4 by 8 into 3, 24. Negative 4 by 24. Now, you have to write it in the standard form. So, the denominator is already positive. Now, you have to look at that whether we can find out the common factors for the 4 and 24. You have to write it in the lowest form. Then 4 and 24 we have the common factor 4. So, we have to divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. So, the answer will be negative 1 by 6. Now, the next one, 3 by 13 divided by negative 4 by 16. So, which is equal to 3 by 13 into, multiply with the reciprocal of the second rational number. So, what is the reciprocal of negative 4 by 65? It is a 65 by negative 4. Now, we want to find out the product. So, 3 into 65 by 13 into negative 4. Now, if we can do the cancellation, we can apply that cancellation method. Now, look at that, 13 and 65 we can cancel using 13. Then in 13 will go 1 time, and in 65 13 will go in 5 times. Therefore, 3 into 5 by 1 into negative 4. So, 3 5s are 15, 15 by negative 4. Now, we have to write it in the standard form. So, make the denominator positive. You have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by negative 1. So, we will get the answer as a negative 15 by 4. So, the answer is a negative 15 by 4. Now, further we cannot reduce. So, we can stop here. So, the answer is negative 15 by 2. Now, homework exercise 9.2 question number 4, first one, third one, fifth and sixth. So, that is all for today's class. Thank you.